Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for the new people here, this is Chitrita. Welcome to my channel. So first of all, I'm sorry for not uploading a video last week, though none of you asked. Then also I'm telling you guys, so this week I have came up with a super interesting video. This is an Ajio try on haul of summer t-shirts, and you people can't believe, you guys won't be believing that all of them are literally below 300. Some of them were on sale, some of them were having their original price as below 300. So I'll be revealing everything in the video. So without any late, let's get into the video. So as this is a try on haul, I'll be showing you guys everything on details. So the one I'm sorry for the sounds. So the one I'm wearing now is also a part of this haul. So I'll be showing you that in the first let me show this. This is the packs it came in. I got this and this. There's a yellow one in one bag. I opted for COD. I don't know why I chose COD, and this came in one, and this three is here. Three of them are here. These three came together, and these two came together. So let me show you guys the one I'm wearing. It's from DNMX Typography Print Crew Neck T-shirt, and it shows 20% off. It was $2.99, and on 20% off it's $2.39, and I got this in L. You'll be getting sizes just here. I'll be attaching a screenshot here so you can get to see. There's a size measurement scale symbol there. You can click on it. You can get every measurements. They will show you everything on inches and centimeters. So you can measure your chest, waist and everything, and then compare to those sizes and get your perfect size. I'll request you guys to be sure at the first hand what sizes you are choosing. Like if you want them to be a size bigger than your usual size, then go for it. If tight fitting, then go for it. But just be sure at the first hand. That will be much better, because I don't know how this Ajio thing works. It worked good for me, but I don't know how this is going to work for you guys. So this is the first one. So let's just have a quick view of it. Next one we all have is this one. The print is also super cute, and this is again super comfy. If you touch the thing, it's like the more or less medium thick fabrics we have, like not that thick one. Like you can surely wear these things in the summer. This is super comfy. This is not gonna make you feel hot. And this is again $3.99 and 51% off. This is from Team Spirit. This is also a very good brand. I love this a lot, and it was 51% off, sorry, and it was $3.39, and on off it's $1.96. So you can think it's below 200. It's so affordable. Like I searched for these t-shirts over like the whole night, and I then chose my ones. So let's see. So the next thing I have is this cute pink t-shirt. This is also from DNMX. This is also super cute, and this was on 40% off. It says $2.99 the real price, and on 40% off it is $179. So it's super cute. It's not at all see-through. The thing is totally comfortable, and it says social distancing. The perfect for the situation. And let's just have a quick view of it. the next one we have is this pretty cool white t-shirt. It says Legendary League. Okay. All the fabrics are more or less the same, only this one I showed earlier. This is a little bit stretchable, and this is all our normal t-shirts we usually have, but again super comfy, and the colors are so bright. So this one we have is from Team Spirit again, Ultimate Broad Striped Crew Neck t-shirt. It was 40% off. It was $3.99, and again I got it for $2.39 on 40% off. It also had 3 colors. I got all the t-shirts for the size L because I didn't want them to be super skinny. Like, I wanted them to be like a little bit baggy, not that baggy, but a little baggy. I don't like such skinny fits. I don't know, personal choices. Then we have these super cute t-shirts. So I already wore it once. I went to meet my friends. That time I wore it. It is super cute. The video is not doing justice to the colors. This is super cute, and the colors are so bright. This is the favorite one among all this. This was again from Team Spirit. This is also typography print crew neck ringer t-shirt. It is 51% off. It was $3.99 and I got it for $196. So you can think only 2 were below $250 and others are all below $200. So this is a super sale going on, like 51% off, 40% off. I'll be linking all the product links in the description box. You can go there, you can buy, and obviously on the first hand be sure about your sizes and the fabrics. You should check what the material of the fabric is in the material description. You'll surely get to see and all this. So now I'll be showing you guys the one I'm wearing now. So this is also super comfy. Like, this will not at all make you feel hot in the summer. So these are some perfect summer fit t-shirts from Ajio and super affordable. So let's just see it. So that was everything I got. I apologize for the super messiness of the t-shirts. I'm surely gonna wrap them properly, but these are all the things I got from Ajio. They are super comfy. I've mentioned this a number of times, and the most important thing is they are super affordable, like really affordable. So if you are looking for t-shirts, summer t-shirts, so you can go and check out in Ajio. The brands who really provide affordable t-shirts are DNMX, Team Spirit, and these two. Like, there are 2-3 more, but I don't remember the names. I have wore this DNMX and Team Spirit before as well, so I went for these two. So you can go there and check out. Also tell me which one is your fab and what else video I can provide to you guys, what else haul I will do. You can suggest me surely in the comment section. And also it would mean a lot if you subscribe to my channel. Like, I have been seeing like 50% of my viewers are just the part of my views, not my subscribers. Like, please subscribe and be a part of my group or my family. Like, it would mean a lot if you subscribe and hit that like button. Also press the bell icon so that you never miss a video whenever I post. And also, I'll surely come up with a new video next week. Till then, subscribe to my channel, stay tuned, and you can follow me on Instagram. I'll mention my link in the description box, and have a great day. Bye bye.